You don't need a camera, you don't need expensive editing skills, and you don't even need to show your face, because today, AI can create entire YouTube videos for you, from script writing, to voiceovers, to visuals, to editing. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how to create faceless AI videos step by step.
Welcome to AI Hustle.
The first step is creating a script. And honestly, this is the easiest part now. Open ChatGPT, then type a simple prompt like, write a 1-minute YouTube short script about AI. Within seconds, ChatGPT creates a full script for your video. You can also ask it for hooks, titles, descriptions, hashtags, even thumbnail ideas. This saves hours of work. Next comes voiceover. You can use AI voice tools like 11 Labs. Simply paste your script, choose a voice, and generate realistic narration instantly. Modern AI voices sound almost human now. And the best part, you can create professional voiceovers without recording your own voice. Now it's time to create visuals. You can generate images using AI tools. Then turn those images into animated videos using image-to-video AI generators. Many creators now use cinematic AI visuals, animated scenes, AI-generated characters, motion graphics without filming anything themselves. This is how many faceless channels are growing rapidly today. Finally, combine everything together. Add background music, subtitles, transitions, sound effects, and your faceless AI video is ready. The crazy part is, most of this process can now be done entirely with AI. And honestly, this is only the beginning. AI tools are improving every single day, which means creating content is becoming easier than ever before. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel, right now might be the best time to start.
The future is already here, and this is only the beginning. Thanks for watching AI Hustle.